It's like Warriors Arena, the Chase Center, where the crowd gets pretty loud. We're playing unified basketball. I just got done with 2 of my games and we won both of them.
At first, when I played basketball game, I used to be very embarrassed because I used to take bad shots.
We do practice. We practice for 2 to 3 months in a year.
I practiced yesterday and the day before. The more they practice, the more better they get.
Now I learned that I don't have to be embarrassed anymore because I fit in where I am.
It's a good experience. They can meet different people and like they can experience people with different disabilities and like understand how they see the world.
I love playing with all my friends and sports are really fun.
I'm really good. I play with my dad and my brothers.
I scored a corner 3 over there. Playing games it's not about winning. It's about having fun. It's fine if we lose, it's fine if we tie, it's fine if we win.
I'm not here to win. I'm here to enjoy my life and be with the people I want.
Basketball's so fun, you know, you get to compete with different schools.
It's a fun sport and it's a good experience.